Hello and welcome back to my scrap room. My name is Jennifer Perry and I am an independent consultant with Close to My Heart. And today we are going to start working on layout 1 of the Boutique Deluxe Workshop. The Deluxe Workshop is on page 29. You need to order a bouquet. Workshop Your Way workshop, which is this workshop right here, and the Deluxe Bundle. Now the Deluxe Bundle comes with texture paste, a sugar plum shimmer brush, palette knives, and stencil film. And the stencil film looks like that. Now with the stencil film you're going to cut these. Now this is a brand new shimmer brush. I've not used it yet, so I'm going to open it. Oh, it doesn't have the protecting color. Okay. Or is this the one that I have used? Oh, this is the one that I have used. Okay. Okay, this is just a paper towel. And I'm going to start it going on the paper towel. And all we're going to do is just color. And that's it. We need to set this aside and let it dry. So I've gone ahead and I've pre-cut everything just like we did before. If you are looking for the cutting guide, you're going to want to look for Boutique Workshop Your Way Deluxe Cutting Guide, I believe. I'll put a link below for you. But if you do not need the cutting guide, then skip on over and watch this video. But if you do, it's there for you. So as usual, I'm going to separate my left side from my right side. So these are the background pages. I need one of these and one of these. This one goes over there. This one goes over there. 3x4, 2x2, 4x6, and then one of these and one of these. Okay, so we're going to set this one aside. We're going to set the right side aside. And this is 1C whenever you cut it. So whenever you're doing the cutting guide, this is actually 1C. And all I've done is taken the shimmer brush and just swiped it across. And then let it dry. And we're going to start assembly. I need my eyeballs. So this sheet, there's no orientation that you need to worry about. So we're just going to set it right in the center. And then this one, we're going to make sure that the words can be read. So this is 1C. Okay, on this one I'm going to put adhesive on this side because we're going to angle it just a little bit. And I don't want adhesive on the side that the picture has to go under. So we're going to get our compliments, and we need the word love. Oops. I did that last time too. I'm going to love vacuuming my room later. I've got the inserts of all these letters just popping all over my room. So what we're going to do is the love is going to go right here, like that. So I'm going to use my liquid glass. This is the same liquid glass that we sell. I just put a different top on it. I get this top from Amazon. It's about $7. I'll leave the link below. But all I do is I pop the little nozzle off of this one, and then I just pop that on. And the reason I like it is it is a needle nose tip, which makes it much, much easier to apply glue in tiny little spaces. So I'm just going to apply the glue on the wider portions. And I got that one a little smushy, so I'm going to just take my finger and knock it down some. And same thing with the rest of the word. So now we're just going to knock some puffy stickers on here. And then we are going to, I think it's this one. Cut it in half. Cut it in half again. I'll just set that part aside real fast. And I want to make part of it not sticky. And the way that I'm going to do that is with this anti-static powder, or if I didn't have this, I would just use some baby powder and a dry brush. So I'm just going to take part of it on the bottom portion. Because we want part of it to be sticky, but not all of it. The portion that the photo is going to be with, I don't want to be sticky. So we're just going to take the sticky end and put it right there. And then if you notice, we can still get this up under, like that. This is going to be it for the left side. Let's move over the right side real fast. Again, we're going to plunk this right in the middle. I'm going to borrow this layout really quickly with me. Because I want these two pieces to match. And then we're going to take our journaling card. and our photo. Now for this other piece of washi, remember the other piece that we cut? We're going to do the exact same thing and take some sticky off of it. Okay, and then we're going to build a flower. So we need this one and that one, I think. Because I'm going to be layering them, I want some foam tape. And then some more puffy stickers. So here is layout 1 of the Boutique Deluxe layouts. Layout 2. And the two layouts together. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I know there are 1,001 things that you could be doing, but you chose to join me with scrapbooking, and for that I am very grateful. If you would like to see more scrapbooking projects like this, please hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed the layout and you would like to make it for your own, please go to myscraproom.net, hit the shopping link, and go to kits. It'll be right there for you. Until next time, thank you very much. Bye-bye.